What's happening, guys? I'm here to talk about Shiba Inu. Is it time to panic? Because all the altcoins are not running right now. Bitcoin dominance continues to scale up. We could probably see Bitcoin actually reach 60% dominance. What does that mean? That means 60% of all the money in crypto could be in Bitcoin. Right now, when you exclude the stable coins, we're right around 50%. And we've seen Bitcoin actually reach 60% before. And this trend that we're on in the last 3 months shows us that a lot of money is moving into Bitcoin. Not a lot of money is moving into altcoins. So this video is kind of to shed light on why Shiba Inu is not moving. And it's not a Shiba Inu problem, right? It's money's not really moving into any of the altcoins. We saw Cardano pop a little bit yesterday, which is great. I love Cardano, love the future of ADA. It was up about 12% yesterday. But in terms of SHIB, we're kind of in this stalemate. But we always say the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout, right? Now, it could be a breakout to the upside, could be a breakout to the downside. But volatility is the name of the game in crypto. Eventually, it's going to get volatile. I don't know what that catalyst is going to be. I don't have a crystal ball, right? But again, the longer that sideways action happens, the more the breakout. I think it's going to be to the upside, though, because we've gained some nice support here at this 4010 level. We've been at like the 10.6 for seemingly a month, right? A little bit up and down from there, but seemingly we've been trading sideways for about a month now. We have a lot of things happening in terms of Shibarium projects. Everybody's waiting for the mainnet launch. I think that could be the catalyst that lifts us back into the twos. We've always talked about getting back into the twos and eventually getting back to the all-time high. We're about an 8x away from the all-time high. And when you look at some of the other altcoins out there, very similar story, about an 8 to 12x away from all-time highs. We call it altcoin season, right? Eventually, the alts will start running and money will start flowing into these altcoins. I think another thing we have to look at is the Fed meeting coming up in May. They won't meet here in April, but we're going to get a CPI report. And also, something to consider, bank runs, right? As the banks have collapsed here in the last couple months, so these regional banks, we're seeing a consolidation. Probably eventually it's going to be a consolidation into the big six, right? The JP Morgans, the Wells Fargos. As this plays out, it should be good for crypto. It's not good for the US dollar, right? So it's kind of a double-edged sword. It's not good for the economy necessarily. It's not good for the US dollar, but it's great for crypto. And it's starting to finally play out this way, right? Bitcoin was invented in 2010 as a hedge against inflation coming out of the 2008 banking crisis. Back then, we didn't have a Bitcoin necessarily. It wasn't really fully established. Now it is. And you're seeing a lot of money flow into Bitcoin. And I think slowly but surely more and more people, as they get into crypto, will be looking into altcoins as well. And I think that's where SHIB comes in. In the next bull cycle, we know that Shiba Inu is a big retail player. That retail money will flow into things like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. Once it starts getting, on the news again and it's, top of the list on Google Trends, which, by the way, in the month of March, the top Googled crypto was Shiba Inu, which is super bullish, right? So people are it's piquing their interest a little bit right now. People are, thinking, oh, I remember that from 2021. Where are we going? Is crypto starting to come back a little bit? And it is, right? We know that. And since the start of the year, Bitcoin's moved from 16.5 all the way up to 29,000. Right now, we're a little bit above 28,000. But we're going to be watching all of these factors. But it's not time to panic. Shiba Inu's not dead. It's not going away. It's still a top 15 crypto. And all the naysayers said that SHIB would die on the vine, right? It would just be gone. It wouldn't last through its first bear market. It's not the case, right? And now the main utilities are coming out. So we'll be keeping tabs on all this. Have a fantastic Saturday. See you in the next one. Bye.